Good Tuesday morning for this Veterans Day. Chris Allen here with your first look forecast for this November 11th. Winds of change are blowing this morning. Yesterday, we got up into the 60s, almost 70 degrees here in Bowling Green. Today, we'll get up into the mid-60s before the temperatures come crashing down. It's that Arctic plunge we've been talking about for several days, and it will arrive later today. Those winds this morning across the Kentucky Mesonet network showing some 18, 19, almost 20 mile per hour wind gusts, especially west of the Bowling Green area. Lighter winds out to the east of us. Temperatures this morning still on the mild side for right now. That will change later. Seeing lots of, say, mid-50s across the area, upper 40s out to the east from Green River Lake all the way down to the Lake Cumberland region. Here's a look at temperatures as of 4:18 a.m. Central Time. And can you see where the cold front is? Well, what if I did this right here? Well, that's a little bit more defined, but the colors do tell the story. It's 54 degrees in St. Louis. It's 35 degrees in Springfield, all in the same state of Missouri. Kansas City at 26. Look at Pierre, South Dakota, 14. The temperatures continue to fall. Oklahoma City, 34. Wow, that's some colder air, and it's all headed this way. And with it will come a chance of rain, but Doppler Max HD all clear over southern Kentucky this morning. We're not expecting any rain until we get on into the afternoon. Here is the broader view with a 3-hour radar satellite, and just where I drew that cold front, you can see it there. Even a little bit of light snow this morning in parts of northern Missouri, parts of Iowa. I don't think we're going to have to worry about that. It'll be all rain for us later today. Future max temperatures, we're going to make it back into the mid-60s today, but you can watch the cold air coming in by, say, mid-afternoon to almost early evening. That's when the temperatures will really start to fall off, and it will be breezy all day today as those gusty northwest winds start to move in with the colder air. Overnight tonight, we'll get down close to freezing over parts of southern Kentucky. Then tomorrow, only recover back into the mid-40s for daytime highs, and then fall back into the 20s for overnight lows for tomorrow night. Get used to that. That's going to be pretty much the norm for a while. Here's the GFS 500 upper air, and you can clearly see how this area of very cold air is going to just kind of sit, and that trophy weather sitting right over the northern half of the United States, and that's going to continue. In fact, not only that lobe of cold air, but there will be another one that kind of pinches off here, another piece of that upper air system. I hesitate to call it polar vortex because that's misused, but the polar vortex is always up here in the North Pole, and it's just pinching off little pieces of energy and throwing them down into our part of the country, which is a bit unusual. And the remnants of what was Nuri, that typhoon, is actually putting a big kink in the jet stream, and there comes another good piece of that energy as we get into Sunday and Monday. That's going to be another reinforcing shot of Arctic air as we get even into the beginning of next week. So folks, this is going to stay with us for a while. Things don't flatten out until we get into the middle of next week. Future max predictor showing the clouds on the increase by midday, and then the rain showers for the afternoon and early evening. Then they quickly move away. No snow expected with any of this as the colder air comes in for tonight. 65 today, 34 tonight, 46 tomorrow. Look at that, 38 on Thursday, 39 Friday, 43 Saturday. With increasing clouds, there could be light rain at first, maybe a mix or change over to light snow Saturday night into early Sunday, then changing back to rain at 42. No accumulation anticipated there. And then Monday, continued cold with that reinforced shot of Arctic air and high of 39 degrees. This cold air shows no signs of stopping anytime soon. All right, for the latest on your forecast, coming up live at 5:30 a.m. Kentucky. And, of course, we'll be streaming live to the WBKO app and to WBKO.com. Know the weather before it knows you. Have a great day And thanks for your service. If you're a veteran, thank you so much on this Veterans Day. God bless, and I'll see you later.